So I just found a Faceless YouTube channel that started posting just 2 months ago, and the goal of this video is to see if I can create a similar channel using AI. So if you want to learn how to use AI and AI automation to build a channel like this one and start your own from scratch, then in this video I'm going to show you absolutely everything. So if you want to get into AI automation, then this video is for you. So let's start. Now the first thing that I want to do is show you the actual channel so you can see exactly what we're working with. So the channel is called the Passive House Files. It has 17,000 subscribers with 38 videos. The niche is off-grid DIY energy. So basically it's just DIY hacks. Now I know that in first glance it doesn't look that much, but here's where it gets interesting, because if we click through the total numbers of views, then we can see that this channel has done over 1 million views from only 17 subscribers. And it gets crazier than that, because if we go over to the video tab, we sort by oldest uploads, you'll see that this channel really only started posting about 2 months ago. So in 2 months, from a complete standing start, this channel pulled in over 1 million views. Now let me actually show you the videos, because this is important part. So this video right here, this $8 Earth battery pulls free power straight from the dirt. That one has 278,000 views and it was posted only 11 days ago. Then we have another one with 173,000 views 10 days ago. Another one with 142,000 views 2 weeks ago. And it goes on and on. But here's something that I want you to notice, because if you look at the length of these videos, the videos are over 20 minutes, around 25 minutes, 23 minutes, 21 minutes. And now let's see how often they're posting. So they are posting almost every day, so every single day. So I actually want you to stop and think about that and what that means for a second, because there is no human being on the planet sitting down and writing, recording and editing 25-minute documentary videos every single day by hand. It is simply not possible, which means one thing: there is a system running quietly behind this channel, and that system is exactly what I'm going to show you how to build, because it's the system that I'm using for my channels to get the results that I have already showed you on my previous videos. But one more thing about this channel, because if we go to their videos, for example, let's go to this one, we can see that they have a link on their description. They also have the link attached here in the main page, which directs us to their own product. So they're not making money only from ads, they are also selling their own product, a guide linked right here underneath every single video. I do it too on my own channel. So this is one of my products that I sell on my channel, and it's really a smart thing to do, because it's kind of a passive income. You just attach the link on your videos and you get results like this one. So that means that this channel is actually monetized in 2 completely different ways: ads on all of that watch time plus their own product on top of it. Alright, so that's the channel. Now, as I said on the beginning, the goal of this video is to see if I can recreate similar channels using AI tools in the fastest way possible. And I can do it in less than 15 minutes. But I have to say that the visuals are not the hard part anymore. AI has made generating images, clips completely easy. Anybody can make a video that looks decent now. What actually separates a channel doing views like this one and a channel doing around 2,000 views is the script, is the hook, is the writing and the narration that grabs someone in the first 10 seconds and then carries them all the way to minute 25th without ever letting go. And that is the real skill. So this whole system comes down to just 2 tools. One tool that writes the script, which is the hard part, and one tool that turns that script into the actual video. So let's start with the first one. So the first one is actually something I have built myself. It's called ScriptAgent, and it's what I use to come up with ideas, to do the research, design the titles and the thumbnails, and write the entire script. All of it trained in what's actually working in this niche. Now let me walk you through exactly how to use it step by step so you can follow along. So when you first open it, you're going to see this form right here. The first section is the channel basics. So that's the channel name, the niche, the format of the video, and one line describing what makes the channel different. Now we can sit here and try to fill all of this yourself, but I don't like guessing. What I do is I take a screenshot of this view over here and I attach it to Claude, and then I copy the URL of the channel like this and paste it over here, and then please review this channel and put together structured information that I can input into this tool to fill it out and get optimized output. And then I hit enter, and then I just take those answer and drop straight into the form like this. And that is step 1, and it's done. Now, step 2 is the single most important step in this process. This is the step where you actually train the tool. You'll see this section here for a reference script, and what you need to do is feed it 3 to 5 scripts. You need the actual transcript from the best performing videos in your niche. So what I do is I go back to the passive house files, I open their most popular videos, I pull the full written transcript, and I just copy the title. And then I repeat this for all the other transcript. Now, why does this one step matter so much? Is because this is what the tool actually learns from. It is not learning from some generic idea of what YouTube video should be. It is learning the exact pacing, the exact hooks, and the exact structure of the specific video that are already pulling hundreds of thousands of views in this niche. So once you've put in all the transcript, then you hit this button to train it, and it builds what we call the brain. And the brain is basically a complete profile of how this style of video works. How it opens, how it keeps you watching, and how it delivers its information. And then we have created the channel, and the next step is pasting the link from the competitor. So we just go here, share channel, copy the link, and then I go back here and paste the channel. And then all you need to do is generate ideas. And then after a few seconds, the tool has given us 10 different video ideas. And here's something I need you to understand, because every single one of these 10 ideas is built on the same DNA as the videos that are already winning on this channel. So the tool is not sitting there inventing random topics out of thin air. It looked at the videos that are already getting hundreds and thousands of views. It pulled out the exact pattern behind them, and it handed me 10 brand new ideas that all follow that proven winning structure. So I just read through the 10 options and I picked the first one. And then once you pick your idea, just click this button and the tool builds you what we call a research dossier. So this is the dossier. We have the foundation, the cast and settings. Over here we have the timeline. So everything is about real numbers, real dates, real timelines, real details. And then we can just build the packaging or skip and go directly to making the script. I'm going to build packaging, so I just go to the competitor, download the thumbnail, and upload it like this. But since I'm going to use VidRush, and VidRush already creates thumbnails itself, then I will not need this, but it's just to show you how this works. So what it will do, it will create thumbnails DNA, and we will have the prompt to generate the thumbnail ourselves, and then we have option for the title and the thumbnail. So what I do next is I just pick this one, for example, and then it will direct us to writing the script. And then we have the length of the video over here, so we can just slide it over and you can see here the length and the words, and then just press generate script. And then in just a couple of seconds, we have the whole script over here. Now, this script agent that I just showed you is actually put inside my community. It's actually free to use for the members inside. So if you want to use the exact tool that I showed you, then you can find it on the first link on the description. So now I'm going to show you how to use VidRush. This is VidRush user interface. As you can see here, we have the profiles over here. I have Amish guy and Forgotten Rules, for example. Then you can also add another brand profile. So let's just say Amish channel, for example. Hit next. Then we need to select the language, English. We need to go to voiceover now to select the voice. So let me just go through the voices real quick and select one. Okay, let's choose this one called Brian, and then let's go to creative assets. So over here we can select what the background image look like. We have different options. I will go with this one, the green one. Then we have theme selection over here, history theme, modern theme. I'm going to go with history theme for this one also. And then we have the block listing here of the motion graphics that we don't want in our videos. Actually, there is one that I don't like from VidRush, and it's called karaoke something. Yeah, this one. Okay, I'll put it on the block list. And then we go to compliance. It's for safety and sourcing. So I would recommend to leave all three ticks on, because by enabling all sourcing options, AI can access the widest range of footage resources. Other than that, it will lack some footage. So it's better to have all three of them turned on. And then all I do is save brand profile. Now it's saying that this name already exists. This shows sometimes. So let's just go and press 1 here and then save brand profile, and it's already done. So over here we have the model. We have the V1 Mini and the V1 Pro. I usually choose always the Pro version because it has higher quality videos. Let's hit select model. Now let's go back to ScriptAgent and let's copy the script just press copy button and then go to VidRush, press the plus button right here, custom scripts, and then paste it. You can see that this one is 26 minutes long. And then I'm just going to press save script and then press this button over here to continue with the next step. Over here, we're going to choose our thumbnail reference. So what we can do is we have outliers on the topic that we're doing. So VidRush will give us some options. But what I like to do is do custom URLs. I go to the competitor, I go to the most popular video, and then I copy the link of that video to replicate similar thumbnail. And then I hit add. As you can see here is the selected reference thumbnail. Then we go next. We have setting and details where we need to check and approve everything. For the title, I'm going to use the exact title that ScriptAgent gave me. So let's just change just that one. And then next, we don't need to change anything at all. We just hit approve and continue for this part here. And then we again hit approve and continue. Again, approve and continue. And then you can see that over here, the estimate total cost is 1,595 credits. So let's just approve and continue. And then in just less than an hour, I will have the video ready. So here we have the video. You can see the title over here. You can see the thumbnail over here, which is amazing quality, to be honest. We can just download this thumbnail. And then we have a 24-minute video over here where we can do whatever we want. We can change footage. You can see here we have text. We have elements that we can use, free stock footage that you can use. And then we have transition that we can add between the clips. We have audio where we can just lower the music if we want, for example, like this. Then we have animations that we can use ourselves. And all you need to do is just drag and drop. It's that simple. And then you have options here to modify that one. So you can select the image, like upload from your device. So as you can see, this one has a background. So you can also put a video on the background or put an image on the background. So it's really that simple. Okay, so let's play just the beginning a little bit.
$40. That is the total cost of the PVC pipe sitting in my backyard right now. Not $40 for a component. $40 for the core of a system that is pulling heat straight out of the ground and pushing it into my house tonight.
Okay, so yeah, we have a 24-minute video over here that was created very quickly. And this is exactly how a channel like the Passive House Files is able to put a 25-minute video almost every single day. The script comes out of the first tool and it goes into the second tool in VidRush over here, and the video basically builds itself. That is the entire system right here. Now, VidRush is not open to the public right now, but there are access code for it inside my community in the exact same place as the ScriptAgent. So if this is the kind of channel you want to build, then everything you need is sitting behind that first link in the description. So now let's actually talk about why this makes money, because that is the whole point of doing any of this in the first place. So think about what you're actually building here. There are 20 to 30 minute long videos, and that length matters a lot because every single view is a huge chunk of watch time, and the watch time is exactly what YouTube pays you for. On top of that, you're in the evergreen niche, something that people are searching for constantly, which means that these videos keep pulling in views for months, even years after you post them. So that's the whole thing from start to finish. And I want you to notice that this was never about getting lucky with one random video. This is a repeatable system. You find a channel that is already winning, you use the ScriptAgent to reverse engineer the scripts, and you use VidRush to build the videos. This is how members inside the community are also building their channels, monetizing them, and also scaling to more monetized channels. 2 tools, 1 process, and it works in basically any niche you pointed at. So if you want the ScriptAgent and the VidRush access code, they are both waiting for you inside my community, and that's the first link in the description. And if you want to see the 5 specific niches I would personally start building in right now, then you go and watch this video right here next, because that's where I break down every single one of them. So I'll see you in that one.